Hi viewers, welcome back again in another video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. So guys, today I have come to share with you a very important and quick recipe. In today's video, I will be telling you how you can make money ritual, money flowing ritual, or by yourself. If you're the type that you don't always sell, you don't make sales, you are into online, people don't patronize you, or money don't stay in your hand, now this video is for you. Or maybe you want to be rich, you want money to be always coming in your hand. First you have something doing. Once you have something doing, now everybody needs money. I want to make sale, you want to make sale. I want to be rich, you also want to be rich. So if you want to be rich, if you want to drive that car, that dream car of yours, that dream mansion of yours, you want to own it, now this video you have to watch it to the end. And before I go on, if today is your first time of jamming my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to check on my new upload. So guys, to make money flowing ritual, you only need few ingredients, and this ingredient you already knew it and it's closer to you. For those who are living abroad, you can get it, so it's not difficult ingredient at all. So number one ingredient in our list is going to be our coconuts. You need 4 coconuts, 4 matured coconuts like this. That is number one. Number 2 is what? Fertility leaf, popularly known as ogirishi. You need fresh ogirishi, just like this. This one is not too mature like this. You need the one that is not too matured like this type. This one is very fresh. You need fresh fertility leaf, ogirishi leaf, and then you need 1,000 naira. If you're living in Nigeria, please make use of 1,000 naira in this particular recipe. If you're living in a country where they are not using naira, you can make use of any your country currency is accepted. So all you have to do is this: get your coconuts, your 4 coconuts. Listen very attentively, please, because I want you to understand something. Get your 4 coconuts, open the head. You're not going to be breaking the coconut like this. You have to use like needles to open the coconut hair. You open it, take your time and open it, and then use the water that you just got from the coconut, and then begin to wash your ogirishi. Use that water, use that coconut water, and then begin to wash this ogirishi. You're not going to be adding any extra water on it. You use the coconut water to wash the fertility leaf, your ogirishi leaf. Wash it until it begins to juice out that green juice. And after that, now use a cheesecloth or anything that you use to strain juice. Then get the ogirishi juice leaf out, get the fertility juice out, then remove the chaff. Remove the chaff that came out from this fertility leaf. Remove the chaff, and then the water, divide it into 2. After you must have done that, now after you must have divided it into 2, now keep the other one and then drink the other one. It's 2. Drink 1 cup and then leave the other cup. So this is what you need to do. Now the one that you are going to be leaving, you are going to be inserting this where is that my 1,000 naira? It's okay now. You are going to be inserting this 1,000 naira inside here. Allow this 1,000 naira to soak inside the other cup water, the other juice. Now after this 1,000 must have soaked very well, remove it, and then do not allow it to tear. Keep it inside your room where you know that you normally stay. If you're the type that always prefer staying in the parlor, keep it in the parlor. If you're the type that always like staying inside the room, keep it in your room where you prefer staying. All right, so just keep it there, and then the water, add it into your bathing water, and then use it to bathe. After bathing, do not clean your body. You are not going to be using sponge. Just use only black soap, okay? And then bath. After bathing, please do not do what? Clean your body. Now, after your body will have done drying, take this 1,000 naira. Go to any popular place that you know that people normally patronize. People normally troop in to get something. Places like a filling station, places like markets. Now, go to filling station or markets. Use that 1,000 naira. Go and buy anything that you wish to buy. If you prefer going to the filling station, buy fuel of 1,000 naira. If you prefer going to the market, buy anything that worth 1,000. Please do not collect change, do not price, just buy like that and then come back home. And I'll tell you, you have just succeeded in doing money flowing rituals for yourself, and you'll see money flowing in without stopping. Money will never stop coming in your hand after you have done performing this particular recipe. This particular recipe is very effective. Once you have something doing in life, I will advise you as my family members to do what? To do this particular recipe, because you will thank God and then come and thank me later if you wish. So guys, that's just it. For those who will be admiring this my beautiful braided wig, yeah, it's wig, it's not costly. Yeah, you can also order it from me. It's not costly. Yeah, it's a wig. So guys, that's just the end of the video. If you need to order for any of my products, my number is 090-5982-5779. You can just chat me up on WhatsApp and then Telegram. So beloved, that is just the end of the video for today. Okay, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go on and subscribe, I beg you, because I will be dropping more interesting content in this particular platforms. Please, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out of any of my content. So guys, that is just the end of the video for today. See you on my next episode. You have a wonderful week. Bye bye.